waiting half the day because of you.
Hey, stay back, man.
I'm not. Ah!
Did you lose your home back there?
Look at
Yourself at home up there. Go ahead.
This bird is building an absolute fortress on top of my garage. Fair trade.
Oh my, tiny dinosaurs! Look how cute they are!